Welcome! I've just finished an amazing trading session trading with binary options. If you want to find out the result of my trading session and apply experience to your own, then watch this video till the end. Let's start. My name is Oliver. Let's go. Right guys, we're gonna start today with $100 and we'll see where that takes us. Usual strategy with the compound percentage used, 1 minute time frame. We may change that in the trading, but let's start straight away. So you see this kind of a rhythm there. We're gonna go off the bottom line there. So the bottom level up to the call option for the call option, because the lower level may act a little bit as a support level. So the lower line from the Keltner channel basically, and this is what we expect from it to bounce off and rise in price. May it be only a pullback, kind of a correction, or it may be full on bounce off and go through and try to break the resistance levels, which is the middle line of the Keltner channel. In this case, it acts as a resistance level. Then we'll see what happens. But at least if we have this little correction happen, then we will profit from our option. Let's wait for the result and continue. And here is the 92% of the payout for this option, 192, and let's go and continue with the next option. For that I will change the currency and look for some nice behaviors in the pattern, in the graph and patterns, and also indications from indicator and oscillator both, because here, let's put this in, you see that the MACD, for example, here is not showing that the price is going to go up. It's looking down, but you need to also apply different instruments and tools, such as patterns, such as levels, and see how the graph actually behaves. So let's find our next possibility to make. Okay, so here, for example, I'm gonna go with another option, call option. So we're gonna go through the middle line of the Keltner channel, which is an indication for the price to go up, as well as MACD is showing the same, the price is gonna go up. So we're looking at both of those signals and we make the decision from that. Let's wait for this option to finish, the time to finish, and find out the result and then continue. And here is our profit for this option. 364 is our profit on here. It's also 90% payout. So the next one is going to be 364 towards our next option, the compound percent. As I said, we're going to use that. Let's see. We have a little pattern there. So we're gonna go with the next option, and we're going to long. This is a signal to go into long, an indication. If you were unfamiliar with the different patterns and want to find out more and learn to see them on the graph, on the asset that you're trading with, not necessarily what I'm trading with, but you're on the assets that you are working with. We have a Telegram group where you can learn a lot of this information from me and my team. I have a great team, has years of experience, and we're sharing that in this Telegram group. In the description to this video, you can find an invitation link and check that group out. So yeah, go ahead and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you don't yet subscribed, and if you do like the videos. That helps a lot the channel to grow, and obviously to see that those videos are are being enjoyed by people and continue making them. Basically, here we have the profit 698, so almost 700, and we're gonna put that toward the next option, 699 for the next option. Let's go to our next for our next currency. Let's change and choose the next one here, for example. Let's see. Okay, we're getting to a resistance level here, so maybe we're gonna so maybe we'll go with a put option here, because we're expecting for the price to bounce off the resistance level and go down as a correction, or you know, as maybe at the starting of the trend. That's a second question, because we're using time frame of 1 minute here, so this is for us it's not important. We do short period, short time frame options, so we need to only profit from the next minute or two. So that's the difference. But all that knowledge is also, you can apply it to a normal day trading, not just a day trading or even longer. Our knowledge of different patterns, indicators, indications, oscillators, levels, and all the theory is applicable to just in general, not only binary options or not only short time frames. Okay, let's go towards our next option. We can put 1.3k and let's do that. Let's see how about this? There was an intent to go down, but we see that there is a strong bullish candle bar came out. So basically the buyer, the seller came, but the bull's absorption, they call it, the absorption. So the buyer absorbs whatever was being sold, and as you can see, this is pretty good bullish mood there, with some strong impulses. Let's wait for this option to finish and we find out the result and then continue. Here we have our profit 2.5k that we can put toward our next option. This is already, we're getting to some serious income here, serious profit, I mean, and let's go ahead and put towards, so basically the compound percent, of course, we put toward the entire balance. So it is important to go with the cold head, and it's important that you need to be able, or you need to understand that in investing in general, not just here, you should only invest something that you can afford to lose in case the deal does not go as intended. Okay, let's go to these indications here. So over here we see a kind of a rhythm. So maybe, so if we see that the MACD is giving us signal there that there is a bullish trend starting, but we also see that the graph was trying to break through the middle line of Keltner channel, and then it went back to as a correction. So I'm expecting it to now, the middle line, to act as a support level, and now we can bounce off there and not go through it this time, but bounce off there. So I'm expecting some support there from which we can bounce off and the price would go up. Let's wait for this option to finish, see the result, and continue. Okay, so we have a 4.8 profit with this option. Obviously it's not, it's only 92% of it is the actual profit because we invest the whole thing. Right, so now I'm gonna go with 3K towards the next option, and we'll go ahead and change the currency and look for some other signals, indications where we can make the profit. Because the time frame is only 1 minute, we need to look for those. And if I don't really like the look of what's happening, I'm not gonna use it. So here, for example, that's not a bad situation here, so I'm gonna go with this put option because there is a the trend is a strong bears, right? So with this, I mean, this looks like a little correction, little pullback to, so basically I think that the price would start going up, but I think we have this time as we entered at the top of the correction that it would go back down because it's a strong downtrend. Let's wait for the result of this and continue. And there we have a profit from this option. This is some serious profit already we have in quite a short amount of time. As you can see how beautifully compound percent can work in conjunction with if your knowledge is on the level that you can use all the tools, you can use what's given to you here on the platform or on any other platform. It's the same. You have all the tools necessary, and if you know how to use them, you can get your the deals that you do, the options that you do, or the deals that you do, you can get them to higher percentage of being correct, rather so positive rather than negative. And there will be negative ones. It's never 100%. I don't get. Okay, let's just do this quickly because I've noticed that there is a again we have the bottom line of the Keltner channel acting as a support for us at this point, and I'm expecting the price to bounce off this support level, and let's see if I'm correct. This is a 6K option, so better be correct. And as I was saying, that if you can use, if you can use all the tools given to you and your knowledge is on the right level, you can make this your you can make this a profitable thing for you. So yeah, hope you do learn and apply that knowledge to your trading, and you'll see the results. It's never going to be linear, always positive, or in this case it can't be always negative either if you do apply the knowledge. We just had a profit, guys, and a pretty good one. We're gonna stop here. I hope you enjoyed this. I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.